Hey, what's up everybody, it's your girl Vivian and I am back with another video. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, hello. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos on all platforms, and don't forget to click that notification bell on the side. That'll keep you alerted anytime I upload a new video. Okay, this video is just gonna be of a gift set that I purchased. It's the Missdior Blooming Bouquet. Y'all know that I told y'all in my previous videos that I've never been a big fan of perfumes because they would always give me a headache and I could never find one that I truly like. But 2 years ago I purchased a small bottle of the Missdior Blooming Bouquet, and that has become my favorite. So without further ado, we're gonna get into this video because this is just the gift set that I just want to show you guys that I got from Macy's. So this is it. Nice little packaging, gold, and let's see. See, this is real cute. Now, I know they have the Missdior, and then they have the Missdior Blooming Bouquet. Fruity floral. Keynotes are Damascus, rose, peony, and white musk. So that's the fragrance notes. Now this is coming from Sephora. Okay. So this here. I don't know. It seems kind of. Okay, so this is what is inside. You have the bigger bottle, the lotion, and the smaller bottle of the Blooming Bouquet. Now, since I got that, they also gave a little free sample of the Missdior, but it's not the Blooming Bouquet. So this is it. Can y'all see that? Okay. And that one smells good too. So, I don't know. We shall see. But I'm not liking the packaging. I'm really not liking the packaging. Okay. I don't like the way the inside is. But this is it. Look how pretty. And I already have the small bottle, so my favorite. This is ridiculous. Girl. Now this is the lotion. As you can see. And what size is this? They usually put the size. But it's the Moisturizing Body Milk. Okay. Not bad. So this is the lotion. That's what comes in the gift set. This package is rinky-dink. I'm not liking it at all. And then the last but not least is, a little small travel size that you just on you like that. But that's it. I can tell I ain't gonna be using this one too much. And look. I thought I had my other bottle, but I have been having a small bottle of the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet going on 3 years. And I mean, that bottle is still full. Still full. I mean, I don't use it every day. You know, just when I feel like just when I'm going out or something like that, I'll wear it. But like wearing it to work or stuff like that, nah. Only when I'm like on special occasions and stuff like that, I'll wear my Miss Dior. But this is it. This is the gift set, and I picked this up at Macy's. But yeah, Miss Dior is my favorite. The Blooming Bouquet is my favorite. Now, they did give a free sample of the Miss Dior. That's not the Blooming Bouquet. They gave a free one. And this one smells good. It smells just as good. Girl. Oh my God. This one smells so good. Man, I may have to pick me up a bottle of this one. This one smells really good. Okay. Now, since I bought this gift set, Macy's gave like free samples or whatever of like the best sellers or whatever, which to me, they not best sellers to me in my opinion, but I don't care for Vince Camuto. Nah, the Givenchy, I like that one. I like that one. Yves Saint Laurent, this one is pretty good now. This one is good. Mon Paris, I guess that's how you pronounce it. Versace Bright Crystal, I smelled this one before. I had bought the gift set one time, and then it's like when I got home and I started wearing it, And I like this Bulgari Rose Goli. Oh Lord, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Blossom Delight. This one is pretty good too. So, Yves Saint Laurent, Givenchy, and Bulgari. Those three are my favorites. Versace Bright Crystal. No ma'am. And then I have another one because I see my batteries getting low, y'all. This one is My Way by Giorgio Armani. This one smells pretty good. This is not bad. And this one, Romance by Ralph Lauren. Now, I bought this one, I remember, a long time ago. Oh man, since back in 2003, 2004, I bought this at one time. Oh, I remember that one. This one is Flower Bomb by Victor and Ross. This one is alright. And then, oh, they put My Way twice in there. No Giorgio Armani. Now this is La Vie Estebelle. I guess this pronounced it Lancome. I don't know, y'all. I'm just fucking up these names. So, and this is Valentino. To be honest, it's like right now they're all smelling the same. And the only thing that I'm really smelling right now is my Chanel Noir. Or Noir. This one. My favorite. Y'all can check that video out because I made a video about that. Alright, y'all. So that's all. I just wanted to come show you my gift set that I purchased of the Miss Dior. You know, I told y'all I purchased the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. The little, just one little small bottle about 2 or 3 years ago. Still got a lot left. Still lasts me a good while. So I ended up purchasing the gift set to get a bigger bottle and the lotion. And, you know, as you can see, very nice packaging. Which it's not all about the packaging, but the inside is kind of rinky-dink. It's rinky-dink to me. I do not like the inside of the packaging. But overall, that is my favorite perfume. The Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. Now, the regular Miss Dior, not the Blooming Bouquet, the one I showed y'all, that little sample, I gotta give me that one because that one smells really good. But let me know what y'all think in the comments if y'all have that collection, or you know what some other perfumes that y'all recommend. Let me know down below in the description. Well, not in the description, in the comments. I will leave a few video links down below that y'all can catch of the Chanel Mademoiselle Intense, and the Chanel Noir. I will leave that down below. But like, comment, subscribe, share my videos on all platforms, you guys. Thumbs up this video. Again, when y'all do that, y'all really helping my channel out, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you to all of my day ones, my new subscribers. Welcome. Don't forget to click that bell on the side to keep you alerted anytime I upload a new video. And that's all, you guys. Happy Friday. We made it. We made it to the end of the week. Now we can relax, have a good time, just enjoy the weekend. It's gonna be a beautiful weekend. But stay safe, follow the rules. Y'all know I tell y'all this all the time. Y'all gonna get tired of me saying this in every video, but I'm gonna keep saying it. Stop speaking negative about the vaccines and things like that. You know, just stay positive. We're gonna all get through this, and just keep praying that this thing goes away. Okay, so enjoy y'all weekend, y'all. Again, happy Friday. Happy Friday, you guys. Hey, we made it. Okay, we made it. So bye, y'all. Y'all have a good weekend. Bye.